What is up, guys? It's day 3. Today we're out here at Slocan, which was the destination to start with, and we finally made it last night. We got in, it wasn't too late last night. There was still light out at least, and we found a sweet camping spot at Roseberry. We set up camp there, and yeah, this morning we woke up, came to town here, New Denver, and we got some groceries because we haven't got groceries yet the whole trip. We've been eating out, and I like eating good food. So today we're gonna have some good food to eat, which is awesome. I'm super excited at that. We got a coffee this morning on the sweet coffee shops they got in town here. And yeah, we've been hearing a lot of good things about this lake and the fish being caught in here. So yeah, day 3. So far we caught 1 fish a day, and then yeah, so hopefully we change that up and we catch a few today. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on how it all goes, and yeah. Keys? Can I grab my bag? Forgot my coffee. Alright guys, day 3. We finally got to our destination, Slocan Lake, and it is beautiful out here. Really nice out. And yeah, we found these creeks here flowing out from the mountains, and I've been seeing a lot of minnows, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be where the feeding place is. So we're gonna try here for a bit and see what we could do. Yeah, stay tuned. So cool. Blue jay. Fuck yeah, that's sweet. Woo! Hold on. So today's day 4 fishing in Slocan Lake. We're gonna take the day off and go for a hike and just take a break and all that, but we just said the hell with it, and we just need a new tackle to catch these suckers. But so we went back to Slocan and the town and went and got some new tackle. Talked to some of the locals, and they gave us some good tips and ideas on how to fish these trout in here. And so we created a new rig for our rods, and we're trying it again. We threw a bucket in behind the jet of my motor, because I think we were just going too fast too. So hopefully that's helping to slow us down a bit. And yeah, I guess day 4, let's see how she goes and see if we catch anything so far. Last 3 days, last 3 lakes and rivers we fished in, we caught 1 fish each. So we didn't get skunked. We're catching them 1 fish at a time, 1 day at a time. But hopefully things change up now without we got the right rigs in place. So stay tuned, and love and appreciate all you. What you got there, Keystone?
Second fish of the day. I caught a bull not too long ago. This guy got himself a nice fucking bull. Bigger.
Nice bull. Got a wedding band with a worm on the end of it. Got a nice little fish. Nice bull. Got ourselves, what is that, 4 today, 5 today?
5.
5 today so far.
With 5 diamonds.
Bull shows, 5 diamonds. Nice size. I've been like hammering these little ones.
This is the second biggest
day.
one.
So, no, it's fun. It's good. We got the right hookups, so we're on the right track.